In this video, I'll be going over how you can make up to $150 participating in paid market research studies all from home. By the way, I'm Felipe and I've participated in hundreds of these studies and made thousands of dollars over the years. And you don't need any prior experience to participate in these research studies. All you need is your opinion, and companies will pay you a lot of money just to get your feedback on their products and services. Today, I'll be sharing a few research studies that you can apply to, and if you're chosen, you can make up to $150. Go ahead and click on the first link on the description, and it will take you to this page right here. So in this page, you'll see research studies that are posted from my job board. As you can see here, we posted 29 focus groups yesterday from all over the country. It was a bit slow for us because Sundays, usually not a lot of companies are posting their studies, but still we were able to get 29 studies yesterday. Going on to the first study that you can apply to, it's about current events and news. So in this focus group, it is about 2 hours and 30 minutes. It'll be taking place between April 15th and April 29th, and you'll earn $140 as compensation for your time and opinion. And so what you'll need to do to apply is go ahead and click here to apply, and it will take you over to a survey. But I do want to point out this section first, because if you're a new user to the user interviews platform, which is a market research platform, they are giving you a $10 bonus when you complete your first study with them, as long as somebody refers you. So if you click on this link right here first and sign up for their platform, and you complete a study, you'll get a bonus of $10. So if you're new to user interviews, go ahead and click on this link first so you can sign up with them, and then come back and click on here to be taken to the survey. So you'll be taken first to this page right here, and then you can just click on sign up and apply, and you can fill out the survey. It was a very short survey. They only asked a few questions about how many times you read or watch the news and about your party demographics. It wasn't very in-depth, very short, like I said. So go ahead and fill this out to see if you're chosen to earn $140. Up next, we have a paid study on travel credit cards. This one pays $150, and if we look here at the details, it is another online focus group lasting 1 hour and 30 minutes, taking place between April 23rd to the 24th, and you'll earn $150 compensation for your time and opinions. An online focus group is just a video session, if I haven't mentioned this before, or if you've never heard of focus groups before. It's just a video session where between you, a moderator, sometimes it could be one-on-one, and sometimes it could be you and a group of people. So for this study over here, it looks like they are asking for or looking for folks that have premium travel cards. Think of like the Amex cards or the Chase Sapphire cards. There are other cards as well, Capital One Venture X. These are some of the credit cards that I saw on this survey. It's a medium length survey, about 3 to 5 minutes, and you'll be able to complete it. They did ask about any travel that you've done, and also if you've been to certain airports around the country. Think of like major city airports. So if that sounds like something that you have done recently and you are into travel credit cards or traveling period, then go ahead and fill this one out for a chance to earn $150 for 90 minutes of your time. Up next, we have a study on entertainment. And this one pays $150. It's taking place between April 7th through the 25th. So a lot of different days, a lot of different times available for you to participate. It's an hour and 30 minutes. And again, you'll earn $150 for your time. For this survey, it was very short as well, just like the current events survey. And they really just asked about your movie theater experiences. So which movie theaters you've been to, and they also asked some general questions about you and about your lifestyle. Very short survey. Go ahead and fill this out to see if you're chosen to participate and earn $150 for your time. Be sure to check out the previous studies that were featured here on this page. They're going to be here under the featured research studies section. And here you have these different toggles for the different days of different studies, and you can apply to all of them here. Go ahead and leave your questions in the comments, and if you're going to apply to any of these studies, I would love to know. And of course, if you book any of them, I would also love to know. So let me know in the comments, and then I'll answer any questions that you have in tomorrow's video.